You know, a lot of people say, Luke, teach me how to make money. I am teaching you how to make money. I'm teaching you how to utilize your time in a way that is meaningful. It's the easiest it's ever been to become wealthy since the beginning of mankind. And if you aren't getting rich, then the problem is you. Ain't the fucking system. The problem ain't because people are getting rich on it. The problem is you. So ask yourself, what skill sets, what knowledge do I not have that I need to continue developing and acquiring in order to get to my goals, in order to reach my fullest potential? Guys, you need to understand the importance of self-discipline when it comes to business. Your mama ain't fucking mentoring you. Your dad isn't looking over your shoulder to see if you're doing your shit. Your teacher, your boss doesn't exist. When you are the owner of your business, you have to learn how to become disciplined. You have to learn how to become a man and a woman that has self-integrity. And self-integrity is when you tell yourself something, you don't scam yourself out of your ability to do something. If you told yourself, I'm gonna do this, you understand from a preliminary perspective that it's gonna be full of bullshit, but that you've committed to the experience automatically. So a lot of you guys are cheating yourself. Oh, you have to work out. You have to do your sales calls. You have to do your videos. You don't do it the right way. My job right there for today was to accomplish 6 tasks. That's it. Six of them. Now I have 3 left, and I can't go to fucking bed until all 3 of those tasks are done. And if I leave it for the last minute, too bad. I need to fucking finish it because I committed to finishing it. You have enough time in your day, plenty of time in your day, ladies and gentlemen, to accomplish these things. And what you're going to see in the long term is a word called improvement. It's a word that a lot of you guys are not familiar with because you don't track it. You are not familiar with your improvement because you do not track your improvement. If you tracked your improvement, you would be able to see how far you've come and continue to be encouraged, right, at your progress. But you want the same courage, you want the same encouragement, but you don't want to track the data that's giving you the real metrics when your mind is full of bullshit and convoluted doubts about your future and about how far you've come. Let's say you buy a fucking dog, bro. You look at that dog grow every single day, but you don't realize how fast it's actually growing unless you track it, right? Like photos, or you track it with weight in some way, shape, or form. It goes beyond you, right? Really quickly, it goes over your head. Same thing happens with your own progress and your own dedication and your own results. If you do not track them, then how are you supposed to continue encouraging yourself when the self-doubt comes in, when I'm not doing as well as I'm supposed to? I was sitting outside and I was like, damn, I don't want to stream. Guys, I'm sitting on tens of millions. I was like, damn, I don't want to stream. And a thought came into my head that said, it doesn't matter if you want to stream or not. You're going to stream. And the reason you're going to stream and you're going to give it 110% is because you understand that in order to get to the end goal, the end result, the end outcome, that this is something that is required and necessary as the task list of mastery in order to get there. So it doesn't matter how I feel. What matters is, did I do what I wanted to do regardless of how I felt at the moment? And I promise you, when you get done doing your task, when you get done accomplishing your goal, you're gonna feel good about it. I have never heard of an individual that has gone to the gym not wanting to go to the gym and leaves that next morning after that session and was like, yeah, I'm glad I didn't come. No, every time that people get up out of their beds and they're like, you know what, I'm gonna go regardless of if I'm going to go, I always hear them say, it was worth it. It was worth it. Because hard things in life, even though they're difficult, they are worth doing. Being consistent is hard, but it's worth doing. Having integrity is hard, but it's worth doing. Showing up with a good attitude and performing and giving it your best is difficult, but it's important. It's necessary. It's required to shape you into who you are meant to be. I gave you guys some serious alpha. I'm not here to just give you guys information for you guys to not fucking do anything with it. Do something with it. Do something with the value that's provided. There's so much information on the internet. There's so much value packed in online. It's the easiest it's ever been to become wealthy. The easiest it's ever been to become wealthy. And it's up to you to capitalize on that opportunity and on you alone. We live in the richest country that's ever existed since the beginning of mankind. And if you aren't getting rich, then the problem is you. The problem ain't the fucking system. The problem ain't because people are getting rich on it. The problem is you. So ask yourself, what skill sets, what knowledge do I not have that I need to continue developing and acquiring in order to get to my goals, in order to reach my fullest potential? So with that being said, love you guys, appreciate you, have a wonderful day, and I hope that you leave better today than the way that you came. So that being said, have a wonderful day, guys.